This is BoBo BM4 Pro bike phone holder with vibration controller. I'll be installing this on the Aprilia SR150. This box contains a main unit with vibration controller, an Allen key, 32mm dia metal buckle, and 25mm dia plastic spacers, 22mm dia plastic spacers, and a rear view mirror mount. This can be used to mount the controller on the scooters. I have chosen to install this on the right side as it is more convenient. Firstly, the mirror has to be removed. With the mirror in hand, the nut has to be tightened all the way upwards. The mirror mount will now go onto the mirror. With the mirror mount on, the mirror is then fastened. This buckle can then be fixed onto the mirror mount with a 22mm spacer. This Allen key is now tightened for a snug fit. With this adjuster loosened, the main unit will now go onto the buckle. And this adjuster can be tightened. Thus the phone is now mounted onto the BoBo BM4 Pro, and this is how it looks.